Hello, everyone. My name is Rena Little from Littleworks Indie Media, and today I am bringing you Tech Tip Tuesday. Now, generally speaking, our tech tips are meant to give you little pieces of information to use the technology that you're probably already using, or small pieces of free technology that you'll find online to help business owners become more efficient and solve their little challenges and make things work better on a day-to-day basis. They're easy to implement and you can do it right away, generally speaking. So today's Tech Tip Tuesday is all about QR codes. Well, not all about QR codes, but definitely a very important part about QR codes. So typically we see a lot more QR codes since COVID, obviously. When things went, nobody wanted to touch anything. And how they work is you have a real world scenario and you want to get people to more information that is generally online, or it has to be online somewhere. So it might work in the way that you've got a brochure, a small little rack card that you've got up in your establishment or someone else's establishment where you're allowed to put your rack cards. It could be a sandwich board that's on the sidewalk. It could be we all see them on tables at restaurants now to take people to menus. So whatever it is, it's real world, and then it goes to more information online. It can be to a menu, it can be to more information page, it could be to somewhere where you have a call to action that you want people to take. Okay, so the reason why I'm bringing this up is because there are many QR code generators to look at, and lots of them come up if you put in free QR code generator. And they're generally not free forever. So, what does that mean? That means that if you're going to the expense of printing a sandwich board or a bunch of brochures or um, um, rack cards, then you're going to need that QR code to work until you finish, giving away all those things. You want it to actually work, otherwise those pieces of collateral become quite useless. And some of the QR code generators make you pay a subscription after that. So uh, that means you're on the hook. And sometimes, if you work with a marketing agency, they'll use their account for the QR code. And if you break up with that agency, then there's this transition issue problem. You need that particular QR code to work. So you want to have control over that. So what do I recommend? There is a free one with Google Chrome. So if you're on Google Chrome, you want to put the correct URL in of where you want to send people. And then sometimes you have a hard time generating the QR code. So for example, I'm just going to show you. It's going to be a right click for PC and control click for Apple users. And you're going to go here and you're going to see we get the QR code here. But I want to show you that if you go down here to a different kind of element on your website and you try and do it here, oh, it's coming up this time. So sometimes it doesn't come up depending on where on the site you are and what element it is. But here it is, QR code for this page, and you just click that. There's your QR code. It gets like, I don't think you have any control over what the little image is in the center, but if you're all right with free, then this will be good for you. You just hit download and then it'll download to your desktop or wherever it is that you're putting it. And you're going to give that to your designer whenever they create collateral that you want to add a QR code to, and you're good to go. So, if you have any little challenges or questions, put them in the comments below, and we're going to either create a little tech tip for you on the solutions that we already know, or I'll do a little research to find the right answer for you. And if you're watching on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button. That would be awesome. And if not, come back here wherever you're watching to see this every Tuesday. Thanks for watching. Bye.